Hello students, hope you are going very well through the topics I explained in my last videos. Today I explain you examples of exercise 13.7. The topic is volume of a right circular cone. Volume of a right circular cone is the formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. Means we have to adjust here radius and height, and then we can find the volume of the cone. The height, example number 15th is the height and slant height of a cone are this and this. Height and slant height means एक तो h दिया हुआ है, एक l दिया हुआ है. Are respectively this one. Find the volume of cone. Value of l I explain you according to formula l square is equal to r square plus h square. तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग पहले रेडियस फाइंड करेंगे हम. Height of cone is equal to 21 centimeters. Slant height of cone, this is L and this is H, is equal to 28 centimeters. We have to adjust here. L square is equal to r square plus h square. That means r square is equal to L square minus h square, and value of r is equal to root of L square minus h square. That is radius is equal to root of 28 square minus 21 square. Here it will be 28 square is equal to 784, 441. This is 3, 4, 3. Root of 343 is 3 times 7. 2 times 7 is outside of root. Means value of r is equal to 7 root of 7 centimeters. According to it, we have to find the volume 1 by 3 pi r square h. That is 1 by 3, 22 by 7, root 7 root of 7, 7 root of 7. R square 2 टाइम है तो 2 times multiply करेंगे. Into h is 21. 7 3s are 3 3 cancel, 22 into 7 into 7 into 7, that is 343 into 22. 343 into 20 plus 343 into 2, it will be 6860, 6866, 14, 15, 7, 5, 4, 6 centimeter cube. This is the answer of this question. And last example of this exercise is Monica has a piece of canvas whose area is 551 meters square. She uses it to have a conical tent. Conical tent बनाया उसके according उसने with the base radius दिया हुआ है हमें. Assuming that all the stitching margins and wastage incurred while cutting amounts to approximately 1 meter square. Means total area में से 1 meter square wastage में चला गया तो actual area बचेगा 551 minus 1. Find the volume of the tent that can be made with it. हमें volume of tent find करना है. Here the question is area of piece of canvas is equal to 551 meter square. Area adjusted in wastage is equal to 1 meter square. So actual area of piece of canvas, actual area कितना बचा है 551 minus 1, that is 550 meter square. अब इस एरिया से कैनवस का कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया मतलब कौन का कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया एडजस्ट करेंगे. सो कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ कॉनिकल टेंट इज इक्वल टू कितना है फिर 550 मीटर स्क्वायर. एंड इट्स फॉर्मूला इज कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया इज इक्वल टू पाई आर एल इज इक्वल टू 550. देन वी कैन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एल. आर हमें गिवन है तो एच हम फाइंड कर लेंगे एल के अकॉर्डिंग. 22 by 7 r 7 and L is equal to this one 7 7 cancel and L is equal to 550 by 22 to 50 and 25. L is equal to 25 meters. Then H is equal to क्या आ जाएगा, root of L square minus R square, that is root of 25 square minus 7 square, root of 625 minus 49, 6 7 5, root of 576 is 24 centimeters. Now we have to adjust here the volume of conical tent. What is the volume of conical tent? Formula है इसका 1 by 3 pi r square h, that is 1 by 3, 22 by 7, 7, 7, 24, 7 cancel, 24 cancel, 22 into 56, 56 into 20 plus 56 into 2, that is 0, 12, 11, 1, 1, 2. It will be 2, 3, 2, 1. That is the answer of this question. And now try to solve the questions of exercise 13.7, and I will explain the next examples of exercise 13.8 in my next video. Till then, thank you.